Hello guys. So, ayan, nagbabasa po ako ng email ngayon. Ang tagal ko din hindi nakapaggawa ng short video or video ko dito sa YouTube about sa SPIMS program. So, ayan, hindi na busy masyado. So, ito po yung question niya. Ma'am, ask ko lang po, di po ba magbibigay si SPIMS ng option regarding sa area of assignment? Ano po yung basis? Dapat ilagay kung saan yung rehistro sa COMELEC po or hometown mo talaga. Okay, so good question. As far as I know, the law according to DepEd is localization. So that would be your hometown. Kung saan ka nakatira or your residential. Okay? So, I hope you can update your address during the application in SPEMS. And then, ibibigay yung requirements mo sa nearest division sa iyong hometown. So, good luck, ma'am. Alright, next question. Let's see. Okay, so next question. She asks, Hi, good day ma'am. I'm asking about SPEMS. Pwede po ba ako mag-apply? Kahit student visa meron ako, pero may work po ako rito while studying. Then my answer is just try. Okay, as long as you have contract with your work, why not? Go for it because in the requirements, you need to show the certificate of employment. Okay, and then once you submitted all the requirements for the SPIMS program, they will let you know if you are approved or not, or there are missing requirements. They will follow up you. And that is direct kasi sa central office. So, check your email kasi talagang nagre-reply talaga sila. Just wait for them, okay? Or kulitin nyo sila in a polite way. Okay. Next question. Okay, next question. Hello po, ma'am. Regarding po sa SPEMS, ito po yung tatanungin ko po. Kasi napanood ko pa ngayong YouTube videos. I am batch 51 po for the school year 2026 to 2027 po. Gusto ko lang pong tanungin, noong nag-demo po kayo, nag-TRF rin po ba kayo? I am Region 1 din po. Ilocos Norte nga lang po. Salamat po sa sagot, ma'am. Okay. In my case, okay, I'm from Pangasinan, Division 2, or Pangasinan 2. Yeah, Division 2 nga. Sorry, paulit ulit. Okay, so as in my case, we didn't. Hindi po kami gumawa ng TRF. Elementary lang po. I am secondary, major in mathematics, at hindi po kami pinagawa ng TRF. Sinabi ko pa nga dun sa yung staff dun sa division office, kailan po ako magti-TRF? Tapos bigla yung sinabi, no need na sa mga secondary, just only the elementary. So, as I hope you are secondary para hindi ka na may stress din sa TRF. But it's okay. Okay, as long as you comply with all the requirements, for sure may position na kayo. Okay? Alright, next. Okay, regarding pala dun sa mga checklist, meron po akong ginawang video. I-post nyo lang yun and makikita nyo yung mga requirements. Or maybe I will make another video for that. Yung requirements lang. Okay, sorry sa time talaga. Hindi ako magaling sa time management. Pero I hope you can pause the video that I made before. Nandoon na ng mga requirements checklist. Okay, na binigay ng Division Office at checklist na binigay ng SPIMS program at para din sa pa-ranking. But I would recommend wait for their email because sometimes nagbabago kasi yung mga requirements, di ba? We don't know. I just shared the requirements that I passed in my time, okay? Just be careful, read all the email, okay? Thank you. So, I believe it's already 4 minutes and 27 seconds in my video. So, mabuburnood na kayo. So, magbababayin muna ako, ha? Thank you so much. If you have questions, just comment down below. Okay. Thank you and good luck, everyone. Yeah, tiis-tiis lang. God bless. Thank you.